Hi everyone, today I want to show you this cool portable clothes dryer. I got this product for review. Let's open the box. Let's see what we have inside. It comes with instruction. Oh. Here's our dryer. Wow, it's pretty lightweight. Has a handle. What else do I have here? Oh. All right. It comes with cover, handle, and it shows it's aromatherapy box. So cool. This is how you can open it, like that. And on the side we have our cable. Alright, let's try it.
This portable dryer, great for small spaces like apartments, for RVs, and it's ideal for travel or camping. Essentially drying 3 to 5 pieces of innerwear in 15 minutes. This electric air with a power range of 500 low to 850 high offers swift and convenient clothes drying. I put my shirt inside, then I close up the zipper, then I just wait around 15 minutes and all my clothes was dry. So fast and very easy to use. You can save your money, you can save your time to go laundry. If you don't use it, you just can take these clothes off and close the dryer. It's very small, you can keep it in your closet.
I will definitely recommend you to buy this cool portable clothes dryer. You can find this product on Amazon.